climbing high. It's Tuesday, May the 5th, oh my. The grill is hot, the pan is wide, a little goulash sauce inside. 4 bratwurst sausages, brown and plum, into the red sauce they will jump. A bottle cold, crumb basher gold, a story that the fire told. No rush, no clock, no city street, just smoke and spice in summer heat. I stir the pot, I take a sip, a little beer slips past my lip. This is the chef's joy, cooking al fresco. This is the chef's joy, relaxed and carefree, where the weight of heart is through the belly, cooking low, so al fresco. The paprika dances with the steam, a Tuesday lunch becomes a dream. The sausages soak up every drop, I turn the flame, I let them pop. The forest watches from the hill, the air is calm, the world is still. My only task, to taste and stir a happy, hungry Eifel fur. The beer foam nods, the fire winks, I pour a little in the mix. I think that's the secret, don't you know? The sauce and brew begin to grow. This is the chef's joy, cooking al fresco. This is the chef's joy, relaxed and carefree, where the weight of heart is through the belly, cooking low, so al fresco. May 5th, 2026, the pan is on, my worries nix. A Tuesday afternoon in May, I'll eat this bratwurst the old school way, with goulash rich and beer so fine. The Eifel makes the moment mine. No Michelin star, no fancy spoon, just lunch beneath the sun of June. No May. This is the chef's joy, cooking al fresco. This is the chef's joy, relaxed and carefree, where the weight of heart is through the belly, cooking low, so al fresco. May 5th, 2026. The pan is on, my worries nix. A Tuesday afternoon in May, I'll eat this bratwurst the old school way, with goulash rich and beer so fine. The Eifel makes the moment mine. No Michelin star, no fancy spoon, just lunch beneath the sun of June. No May.